What you will become after completing digital marketing course. So in this video I'm going to explain like what you can become after completing digital marketing course. I'll break down all the doubts in the simple video. Okay, so what you will become after completing digital marketing course: you can be a freelancer, you can be an affiliate marketer, you can earn money through blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancer. You can start your career in professional job, you can start your own business on digital marketing. So there are a number of ways where you can earn more and more money and value to your life. So don't waste your time on thinking like whether digital marketing is good choice or not. Digital marketing is 100% the best choice where you can learn digital marketing. So there are many teaching institutes like training institutes, many people who are teaching digital marketing. So even I am learning the digital marketing, so it's absolutely for free. So don't miss the opportunity, grab this opportunity and start your wonderful career in digital marketing. So now I'm going to explain each and everything very clearly. Focus on it, guys. So first you can start working for any company, I mean job. Okay, so you can get the job easily. There are a number of jobs already available you can see in every websites, in every platform. There are 5 lakhs less so opportunities already available in digital marketing. By 2020 you can expect to entail all job opportunities and digital marketing. So this is very huge, you can afford this. And number 2, you can start your own business on digital marketing. So there are 1 crore less companies registered in India and Nepal. So every business next digital marketing. If you are not on digital marketing, you can say this to any great words, and this is very true. So 1 crore companies require digital marketing. You can start your own digital marketing agency and you can acquire claims and you can start promoting the company. And number 3, you can be an blogger. And 4th way is like you can earn money through YouTube. You can earn money through AdSense, where you get some lot of traffic to your website, where Google pays to some X amount of rupees. You can apply to Google AdSense account and they grab this, they will pay, and you can grab these opportunities, guys.